Hi girls, how are you? Today's lesson is lesson 21, new vocab. I'll just explain the vocab in this video, okay? And I have my copy of our reading book. Please, if you have it or if you want to follow me, please open page 630. You will find the new vocab in it. The first word in our today's lesson is pace. Pace. Okay, here I am opening it from my laptop so you can hear it very well.
Pace. Noun. Speed of motion or progress.
Again, pace means speed of motion or progress. Speed of motion, or how progress anything goes. Here the example says, Pony Express riders rode at a fast pace. It means at a fast speed in order to deliver mail as quickly as possible. Okay? Let's move to the second word, which is undoubtedly. Undoubtedly.
Undoubtedly. Adverb. Beyond question. Indisputably.
Okay. Undoubtedly, the B is silent when we pronounce the word. We do not say the B in it. Okay, and undoubtedly means without any doubts. Without any doubts. Or beyond question. Something that you have to believe without any doubts. Okay? So, undoubtedly. Since it ends in ly, we know that words that end in ly are adverbs. They are used to describe verbs. The example that comes in the book says, westbound travelers were undoubtedly glad to make it across the mountains alive. Let's go to the third word, which is seep. Seep. It's not the Arabic one that goes in your mind. No, it's another word. Seep is a verb. Seep is a verb.
Seep. Verb. To pass slowly through small openings. Ooze.
Again, seep is a verb and it means to pass slowly through small openings. Or it's equal to ooze, okay? Again, so seep is a verb, means what? To pass slowly through a small opening or through a small hole. Okay. If a storm lasted a while, rain could seep through protective clothes and hats. It means that the drops of rain may enter from small holes or small, very, very small parts in this hat or clothes. Number 4, evident. Evident.
Evident. Adjective. Easy to see or notice. Obvious.
Again, evident. Evident is an adjective. It means something obvious, something clear. We took it before, if you remember, girls. Evident means something clear or obvious. It is an adjective. We use it to describe nouns. When it is evident or obvious that a wagon wheel is broken, it is repaired or replaced. So it's clear that when the wagon's wheel is broken, we have to replace it, right? Now let's move to the next page. Fifth word, factor. Factor. Factor is a noun and it means something that brings about a result.
Factor. Noun. Something that brings about a result. Factor.
Factor means a helping element or something that helps in getting results. The weather was just one factor or element that determined the speed of a journey. Number 6, vain. Vain means having no success. If you remember, girls, I used to use this word inside our class when something happens. When I say it happened in vain, I used to do this in vain. It means without any result, without any success. So the word vain means having no success. Having no success.
Vain. Adjective. Having no success. Vano. Adjetivo.
These pioneers made a vain or fruitless. Fruitless here means, of course, he is not mentioning fruits in particular, like apples or bananas or whatever. No, he means that they achieved nothing or nonsense because their attempts were in vain. They didn't succeed to attempt the river, to cross the river. The pioneers made a vain or fruitless attempt. Attempt means try. To cross the river, it was too deep. It was too deep. So they couldn't make it. They couldn't cross the river. Their trials or their attempts were in vain. Number 7.
Mirage. Noun. An optical illusion in which something that is not really there appears to be seen in the distance.
Yeah, mirage.
Espejismo.
Mirage is something that deceives your eye. Optical illusion. Optical illusion. The word optical is anything that is related to your eyesight. And illusion is something fake. So you see something that is not true. Especially it is seen in a distance. Like when you are walking in the desert, sometimes people imagine that they are seeing a river there, but it's not real. It's a mirage. It's a mirage. It's an optical illusion. It's not real, girls. Travelers could be fooled by mirages. It was a blow to learn these visions were false. Number 8, shuffled. Shuffled. Shuffle is a verb. Shuffle is a verb. It means to walk slowly while dragging the feet. So it is like someone who is tired, walking slowly, dragging his feet like this, okay, or disappointed. So shuffle is a verb, means to walk slowly while dragging the feet.
Shuffle. Verb. To walk slowly while dragging the feet. Arrastrar los pies. Verbo. Caminar.
The journey was tiring. Many walkers shuffled slowly along the trail after a few weeks. Number 9, salvation.
Salvation. Noun. Someone or something that saves or rescues.
Again, salvation is a noun. It means someone or something that saves or helps in rescuing others, okay? Salvation is a noun. It means someone or something who helps rescue. A freshwater spring could be the salvation. It could be what? The rescue or the savior of thirsty travelers, saving their lives. The last word for today's lesson is stunted. Stunted. Stunted is an adjective. Let's listen to it.
Stunted. Adjective. Slowed or stopped abnormally in growth or development.
Slowed or stopped abnormally. Abnormally is the opposite of something that goes normally. Okay, so abnormally is the opposite of normally. Abnormal, the opposite of normal. And stunted is an adjective. It means stopped something in an abnormal way. Stop the growth or the development in an abnormal way. Okay? Like what? Only small or stunted trees can grow in the harsh desert conditions. Harsh means severe desert conditions of the southwest. Again, only small or stunted trees, the trees that stop developing or stop growing in an abnormal way, can grow in this harsh or hard desert conditions or severe desert conditions of the southwest.